Imagine you've just made a purchase online, but something goes wrong. Maybe the item is defective, or perhaps you simply changed your mind. You reach out to the seller, hoping for a refund. But what if the payment was made using Paysafe? Is Paysafe refundable? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Paysafe. Paysafe is a popular online payment method that offers a variety of services, including prepaid cards, e-wallets, and payment gateways. It's often used for online gambling, gaming, and other digital purchases. But when it comes to refunds, things can get a bit more complicated. Paysafe's refund policy. Paysafe's refund policy is generally strict. In most cases, refunds are not available once a payment has been made. This means that if you purchase something using Paysafe and later decide you don't want it, you may not be able to get your money back. Exceptions to the rule. While Paysafe's refund policy is generally inflexible, there are a few exceptions. Defective or incorrect items. If the item you purchased is defective or incorrect, you may be able to request a refund. In this case, you'll need to contact the seller and provide proof of the issue. Fraudulent transactions. If you believe that your Paysafe account has been compromised and fraudulent transactions have occurred, you should report the issue to Paysafe immediately. They may be able to assist you in reversing the charges. Technical issues. In some cases, technical issues can prevent a payment from being processed correctly. If you encounter such a problem, you may be able to request a refund. Factors affecting refunds. Several factors can influence whether or not you'll be able to get a refund from Paysafe. Seller's policy. The seller's refund policy plays a crucial role. Even if Paysafe allows refunds, the seller may have their own restrictions. Time frame. You may need to request a refund within a specific time frame after the purchase. Proof of purchase. You'll likely need to provide proof of purchase, such as an invoice or receipt. Tips for avoiding refund issues. To minimize the risk of refund problems when using Paysafe, consider the following tips. Research the seller. Before making a purchase, research the seller's reputation and refund policy. Use a credit card. If possible, use a credit card instead of Paysafe. Credit cards often offer additional consumer protections, including the right to dispute charges. Be cautious of prepaid cards. Prepaid Paysafe cards can be less flexible when it comes to refunds. Understand the terms and conditions. Carefully read Paysafe's terms and conditions to understand their refund policy. Additional considerations. Chargebacks. In some cases, you may be able to initiate a chargeback through your bank if you're unable to resolve a dispute with the seller or Paysafe. However, this can be a lengthy process, and there may be fees involved. Customer support. If you have questions or concerns about a Paysafe payment, contact their customer support team for assistance. Is Paysafe refundable? Unfortunately, the answer is generally no. Paysafe's refund policy is strict, and refunds are typically only available in limited circumstances. To minimize the risk of refund issues, it's important to research sellers, use a credit card when possible, and understand Paysafe's terms and conditions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.